my 2007 Z06 Corvette.
Get out now, the funk soul brother.
All right, let's step inside the Corvette and let's test it out in there and see what happens. All right, now we're in the vehicle. Let's take it out of the package and see what we got going on in here. Like it says, pretty much a plug-and-play device. And if you look in the back, you can actually see it's got all the settings for the different frequencies that this thing's already pre-programmed with. Red, blue, green, RBG, and then RR, BB, and GG. So these are, I assume, the blinking ones. And you just pretty much use this toggle button down here and click through the right frequency you want to use, and it pretty much should work. Now, the cool thing about this too, it's also got a charging port, which is also lightning, and a headphone port, which is also lightning as well. So pretty easy. All right, let's try plugging this thing in and see what happens. So I'm just gonna plug it in here on the bottom. I got my Apple Music on. Looks like the red light kicks on. And let's pick a frequency here. Let's go with 87.5, which is RR. So just click this button until you see a blinking red, and that's the frequency we're gonna do. So 87.5, let's check it out. Look at that. Very clear. As you can see, just by clicking the frequency on the bottom with the toggle button on there, you go right to it, plug it in, and it's working. And you can switch it really easy with just one click on your phone.
You get on that horse, you bet. I knew my rent was gonna be later by.
Amazing. Awesome job, Wesley.
What would the music be without sounds?
Young boss.
We're gonna try just messing with it a little bit. Let's try a different frequency, just see how this works and functions. So we're gonna use pretty much option BB, which is 94.5 frequency. So we'll click this thing till it clicks to a blinking blue light, and we'll try the frequency change and see what happens. Click this thing till it blinks blue, blinking blue. There's blinking blue, which is 94.5. Let's try the frequency change. And looks like it's working. Let's just hit the play button now. Well, we know it works really good in the Corvette, but what about another car, like even an older car, like a 1995 Astrovan that we use for carrying our gear around? Will that work in there? Let's check it out. Let's see what happens. Now, like I said, this is a 95 Astro, and it's got a newer radio system in it, but you know, it's still old, doesn't have Bluetooth, doesn't have anything special, just got an 8th mini jack port right here. But let's try, see what happens. All right, let's try this again. This time, let's do a different frequency, test out all different frequencies on this unit. We're gonna go with green, 102.7. So we'll just toggle this down. So it's a solid blinking, solid green. We got this switch to solid green, which is the 102.7 on this device. And let's try it on here. Look at that. Awesome product, Wesley. You did a really good job on this form factor and everything, so my hat's off to you. And there you have it. This is an amazing product for any kind of music guy. Anyone who loves music, wants to use their phone and hook right into it. The cool thing is it does come with instructions. Use the QR code on this thing and you can read little videos and watch the instructions. But to be honest, this thing is so easy to use and it works amazing. I mean, the sound is like like radio quality. It's CD quality. It's clear. I don't notice any distortion. I don't notice any kind of hiss or pops or nothing. It's a great product. So definitely my 2007 Z6 Corvette.
I have an 06 Corvette, and it doesn't have Bluetooth or the X cord plug, whatever they call it. But I got this little gadget over here. I bought it. It cost me $90. But I tell you guys, that was definitely worth it. I want to keep my car original, and this is a beautiful thing. I did not want to spend $700 or $800 buying a radio for my Corvette 2006. So I bought this thing. It's the transmitter, FM transmitter. Anyways, so not too good. This is my first video, so apologize. This is a little messed up. So this gadget is really worth the money. I'm telling you guys out there, if you want to keep your car original, you don't want to mess around with the radio, get this. I mean, I've used this. I bought other products. It's so staticky, you lose it. It don't work good, but this delivers what it promises. Believe me, GizmoGadgets.com, you can get him. It's worth it. Not only that, I got a 1978 Ford Thunderbird. In the radio, yeah, back then they were not good radios anyways, but all you have to do is set up the station. It was on the back of the product right here, and my T-Bird, man, I can listen to any program I want, watch videos on my phone, listen through the speakers of my T-Bird, listen to my music, and it's really worth it, man. Trust me, guys, get this right here. It's worth it. GizmoGuy.com. This is not a paid advertisement, but I just wanted to help all you guys out there that have old cars and you want to keep your original radio, but yeah, you want to get new music and you want to use a smartphone. I got a Samsung Galaxy 8, and it's perfect. I love it. I want to thank the guy who invented this. I paid $90, and I do not regret spending the money. So thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works. Alright, guys, have fun. Enjoy your Corvette or Thunderbird. Like I have a Thunderbird right there. I don't know if you got right there. It's my Ford Thunderbird. This is my Corvette, and that's my Ford truck. It's a 2001. I don't have it a nice radio either, but I use this thing wherever I go, and I love it, man. God bless you all. Buy the product and enjoy it.
Z6 Corvette.
Bye.
Broadcast through any radio without limiting to just your car or your smart speakers? Well, try my gadget out. This little device will allow you to broadcast through anything, so you no longer have to wear that little earphone when you don't want to. Simply connect my gadget to the dongle that come with your phone, and then connect it to your phone, and then you're ready to broadcast all your podcasts through any radio without Bluetooth or any wire at all. Wirelessly, simply connect my device, and you'll be able to listen to your podcast through any radio that you like. So maximize your productivity and maximize your time. Listen to the podcast. Do not waste time sitting in traffic. Listen to the radio. Try my gadget out. I guarantee you will be very happy with it. Thank you very much. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you. Bye-bye.